value that moments, and always taking taking care of that moments in life. Anyway, being loved and to be loved is such a wonderful feelings that we have in this world. And yeah, it's normal. It's normal to be loved. It's normal to get hurt. The most important is we learn from something, and we also know how to start again, because there is no perfect relationship, even though it is romantic friendship or any relationship in this world. Nobody's perfect, and whatever happened, guys, always remember that when you do something for other people or to your loved ones, just make sure that you always give your best, do your best, and when the time come that it will last, so you won't regret about it. That's why uh after we broke up, yeah, there's still pain, but I'm always moving forward and looking forward. Those experiences in life will make me stronger, you know. And always remember that there's someone who always there for you, which is our Almighty God. So whatever you want, whatever help you need, always ask for His guidance, because our God is the only one who can love us unconditionally. Anyway, our love started here in Mighty World. We met in her in her live stream. Yeah, her, because she's feminine. She's a woman. Um, I don't know why it happens. Even me and myself. Uh, Sometimes I ask why, why. But I just wanted to make happy in life, and life is about life is about happiness. It's about to make happy, and everything that we can experiences here in our world, because we are still human. We are not a robot. We had feelings, you know. That's why we supposedly uh, understand one another. So uh, one thing that I can share tonight is about uh, love. Wasn't love enough, even though sometimes you did your best, you gave your all to that person, but still it wasn't enough, right? So uh, acceptance is the best processes or processing in our healing. And time time will come, all the pain will pass, and always pray and hope that there's someone there's someone who gonna uh, come on your way soon. But we can always remember that even though you are single, you don't have to be sad. Okay, sometimes you can find your happiness with your own strategy in life. So always try to move on, and always looking forward for uh, a better a bet, a better better thing that comes in our way. So sometimes um we separation, breakups can hurt, right? But from those pains in our lives, we learn something. We learn something from the pain that that we suffered. So um, the most important thing is we learn and still continue walk, continue stand up, and just always make yourself happy. Okay, and forgive. Yeah, it's really hard to forget from that person that give you hurt, but when you try to forgive that person, you, you also forgive yourself. So um anyway, I also like to say thank you for that person, because of what she did in to me. I am now, I can say that I am a strong woman. Thank you for those times that we can share. And I just want to say, always take care of yourself wherever you are right now. And God bless you. Thank you so much. And I'm always here for you as a friend. Ako, Sinta Cabo. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, everyone.